Endeavor is a global venture capital firm that is transforming emerging and underserved markets by building thriving entrepreneurial ecosystems. And today we're diving deep into the world of innovation and impact with members of the Endeavor community, right here on Taking Stock. Can you give our viewers a little overview of what Breadfast is?
Breadfast is an end-to-end supply chain online grocery platform. 7.5 years ago, we started baking and delivering fresh bread to customers' doorsteps at 5 a.m. in the morning. And today, Breadfast became the largest online grocery platform out of Egypt.
And when did you see this overall spike?
Almost 4 years ago. In our language, we call it product market fit. After executing, almost for the first 3 years, we're trying to understand the consumer needs, the household needs. And by time you learn that you need to add certain items or products to the main offering, and also changing, from next, we used to deliver scheduled. The moment we moved to on-demand, things changed dramatically. But what we have been always focused on and what drove the whole growth is customer experience. So we really take care of all the details until we make the final touch with the customer.
And speaking of driving growth, you have had significant growth in Egypt. Talk to me about any plans to expand your international reach.
Actually, in a couple of weeks, we're going to announce our first foreign market expansion, but we also have aggressive plans for Egypt. Egypt is a huge 120 million consumer. 72% of the trade is unorganized, and this is a great opportunity for us to keep going and keep pushing forward.
How do you determine which location you want to go to next?
We always focus on synergy. Breadfast as a company, we get excited when supply chains are broken. So we love broken supply chains. This is how we add value by starting, baking the bread first and making sure that we are baking the best bread in town. And then we keep adding more products on top of that.
And I do want to talk to you about how you're implementing AI and first-in-class technology into your business strategy to enhance the overall customer experience and your product.
A big part of our operations are on the fresh side. And basically for us, demand forecasting is a big thing. So we use actually machine learning, to make sure that we have the best, forecasting models. And this is fully automated for Breadfast as we speak now. And we started this actually a few years ago, even before the AI hype. We also developed in-house fraud detection models that's, achieving high accuracy at the moment.
How are you implementing sustainable technology, though, into your business strategy when it comes to packaging, delivering logistics, and sourcing?
I mean, this is for us is efficiency and optimization. We're very careful when it comes to waste in general. And we implement, lots of tech touch points across every single part of the chain. This is for us is a big topic. And we, when it comes to packaging, for example, I believe Breadfast is the only company in Egypt that uses biodegradable packaging. So this is for us, big part of our sustainability, implementation inside Breadfast.
Now, the grocery delivery market, it's highly competitive, as you know. What would you say differentiates you from your competitors? And how has Endeavor helped scale the growth of your business?
Owning the value chain is very different than many other players around. It has been known, for online groceries to just go and aggregate. For us, we love supply chain and we build our own supply chain. This gives us a unique selection for the customer at the end of the day. Breadfast today operates the largest private label in the online on-demand grocery globally, actually. So close to 40% of our revenues coming from our own private label. And this is a unique differentiator, for the customers. Regarding Endeavor, Endeavor has been a great help for us. I think it's about the community and about the connections that we make in every single interaction with either an Endeavor entrepreneur, an Endeavor investor, or an Endeavor, even employee, right? So we learn a lot from Endeavor. They have a magical formula when it comes to getting the right people together in the same room, which actually contributes a lot, to the end result.
Amazing. Mustafa, thank you so much for joining us on Taking Stock.
Thank you so much for having me.